guys, I'm so excited. I just made this pretty vase. I think I'm gonna use it for Christmas. So I took 3 vases and glued them together. I got them from Dollar Tree. That was me just playing around with the flowers. I spray painted it white. I ended up not loving the white. If it gets dirty, you can see everything. So I added glitter. I did take some clear gloss spray paint and sprayed it just to seal in the glitter before I added the crystals. And this is me adding the crystals. I did both sides, so it's kind of time consuming, but I enjoy it. The key is to get the crystals as close as possible. And what I did was the crystals I got from Hobby Lobby. And they come in a bag with small and large crystals, so I glued the large ones in the center just to make sure I hid that space where I couldn't quite get the glitter to stay in there. I wasn't too concerned because I knew I was adding the crystals, and then I just added the small ones around it, which really just filled in that space. And I kind of just did one side and I let it dry and cooked dinner, and I didn't just sit and do all of this at one time. I probably could because I really enjoy it. But as you can see, I use a lot of glue because I really want to make sure I can push those crystals down in there and make sure they don't fall off. A video of how I added the glitter to the vases. Just let me know what you think. I plan on making some more videos because I have a couple more things that I want to create, so just let me know. It just really amazes me what I can make from the Dollar Tree. Hobby Lobby too. Almost finished. Just adding my Dollar Tree flowers. I love the flowers they put out for Christmas time. I made this for Christmas, but it's so pretty I can use it anytime. My kitchen and living room actually is red. I can change out the flowers. I think this vase can just be used anytime. And I'm so happy with how it came out.